Hello and welcome to Tutorial 4, Playlists and Users, for the last video of the Social Dictionary tutorial series. And let's see how to create a playlist. If you go to your user page and click on Playlists, and go to Playlist Plus, you can give your playlist a name, and then press Submit. And notice that you automatically followed it as well, but the numbers don't match, so if we click on the three dot in user and refresh and go to playlists, you can see the numbers now match. We are following and created one playlist called some name. And we can sort these by the regular sort. And if we click on it, we can do a number of actions like edit, dislike, report, delete. But if we edit, we can add that description if we missed it. And submit. And you see our A description shows up. And we can also add a definition to this playlist by going to search, typing up our favorite word, and then adding to playlist some name. And then our definition is here. We can play a quiz on it just like regular, just like the other lists of definitions that we have for user vocabulary created. We can sort and we can filter. Let's also look at a playlist that has more definitions in it. So if we go to Home and Playlists, you can see that I've already made some playlists here. But if we go to the phonetic alphabet, we can follow this one. And then in our user page, we can see in playlists following that we have followed it here as well. So we can play a ranked quiz here. Say Oscar, Delta, Lima, Uniform, Yankee. And then we get S. And we can also browse for other users in that same Browse tab. I guess for search, I can also go over how to search a playlist. So if we type, kind of starting the phonetic alphabet, it'll be there. X to clear out the value, but close to clear out the whole input. If we go to search, it's the same way. So if we search for me, there is me, and you can follow as well, just like how you can follow a playlist. If you follow me, it helps your search algorithm. So how search works is that it'll look for the definitions that you have favorited or liked or created, and then it'll go through your followers and see what they have favorited, liked, or created. And then the last thing that you'll see are the WordNet definitions, which will be default. I've been making words, and hopefully you find them more useful than the WordNet ones, and then that's why you would follow me if you want to follow me for that. The other user to know is the WordNet user. The definition itself is just one user, which is WordNet. You can see that they have created a lot of words. And if you want to play quizzes on the whole dictionary, you can do that. And you would do that in the WordNet created definitions. For your user, you can also add this little text beneath it with the bio by pressing and holding on your name, and then create bio. And that's how you get that little description on your username. And I think that covers everything for the Social Dictionary. Thank you for using my app, and I'll see you in there. Okay.